Okay, I am going to show you how to make a garden stake, a flower garden stake. Make them in bigger and smaller and all different colors. This is System 96 Spectrum glass, and it's leftover from a project I had. So I used this in several of them. You only need one petal, and then you're just going to trace it on your glass, 6 of them. And you could either use your pistol grip or your pencil grip. I actually like the pencil grip most of the time. Score your glass on the lines. And then take your running pliers. I break it onto this just to catch the things because I'm going to save that scrap. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. So I've got my papyrus paper already cut out right here, and I'm going to put 3 down. I kind of want to see those ones, so maybe I'll do 3. Take super glue. Oops. And you can also use this glue too, but I just want it to dry pretty fast, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And you can't play around with it a whole lot if you're using the super glue. Alright, so I always just use this for this part, but put some glue in the center. And this is what I'm going to use, this Carolina Frit 96. Sometimes I have a scoop, but I don't have one right now. Just kind of pile it in the middle. And my friend Brooke even comes over on some weekends and cuts these flower petals out for me, because I sell quite a bit of them at the farmer's market. Then, using these stringers, they break really easy. I mean, you can just break them with your finger. But anyways, I already have some cut out. Okay, and there it is. Really easy to do. Put it in the kiln at a contour fuse. This is how it turns out. And then you can use whatever garden stakes you want. I use a epoxy to put it on. You could put some leaves on them too. I do some of them with the leaves on them, but anyway, it's super cute. Easy to do.